Alright, this can be a video on how to remove the doors on a Whirlpool French door fridge freezer combo. Up here there's gonna be a screw. You're gonna undo this just to get this little plastic piece off. I've already taken it off on this other side. And you come over here, there's gonna be a disconnect right here, so you're gonna want to undo that, and then you can see there's gonna be 3 bolts or 3 nuts right there you're gonna want to take out, and then once you've done that, the door should just slide up. So let me go ahead and undo those real fast. Alright, so you can see I've disconnected this piece. Then on this one it's got an 8mm bolt, so you're just going to undo this one. Alright, so on the other side there is no disconnector, so it's just kind of hanging on there. Once you get all those removed, I just put them on top of the cap, and as you can see I already removed one door. All you have to do is you take, at least what I did, I opened it up and you can feel it, it's pretty loose, and all you have to do is lift up on this whole door, and it'll pull right off. There's nothing to it. You can see it right there, it's already kind of coming out on the top. So yep, just pull it off, and then that's how you get your doors off. Alright, so now I'm gonna get the bottom door out. So I've pulled it out. What I'm gonna do, and I don't know if it's the right way or the best way, but there's a screw right there and a screw down here at the bottom on both sides of the door. I'm just gonna take those off, and this whole door will pop off. I think that's the easiest way. Looks like there is a screw right here. You're gonna take that out. There's other ways to do it. That's just how I'm gonna do it. Like I said, it seems like it's the easiest way to get those 4 screws. There's 2 on this side, and then there's 2 on that side as well. And then this front door should just attach from this piece of metal right here. We'll see how it goes.